Hello friends and welcome to lesson 37th, and in this lesson we will create our Hibernate mapping files to achieve one-to-one mapping. So right click on the resources and add your entity classes to generate your Hibernate. Click hbm.xml and add your classes here to generate Hibernate mapping files automatically. So your first class is customer, your second class is address, and click next, and your mapping file generates automatically, and which will have one-to-one mapping according to the application. So click finish here. Now you are ready. Now I want you to go to your customer.dao.java. So open your customer DAO and write this function create customer, in which we had create a session reference, and we are persisting our customer here. We are not using customer DAO here because this is just a simple project structure, it's not enterprise project structure, so I'm using here a simple one. So I want you to open your customer.hbm.xml and go to source. Now we'll make some changes here, like instead of assign we'll use increment here, because we want the application to generate customer ID by its own. And here remove this address and we'll use cascade all to achieve one-to-one mapping here. Save your customer hbm.xml. Now open your address hbm.xml, double click here and go to source, and here we will use generator class foreign. We will use customer primary key here in this address ID value, and will have generator parameter from the customer, type property and customer here. Now we are ready with the one-to-one mapping. So I want you to drag your address and customer HBM files from entity to resources. So we'll drag here. Now we are ready with the application. In the next we will create configuration file for the application and we will test the application. So thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next.